Hello everyone, my name is Satvik and welcome back to another Python programming video. In the previous video, we have discussed about loops, in which we have discussed about for loop, and in today's video, we are going to learn while loop. So what is while loop? A while loop is a loop which will continue to execute a block of code while some condition remains true. First, we will take an example. I is equal to 1 while I is less than 6, print I. First, we will try to understand its syntax. We have taken a variable I and we have initialized it with 1. So now we have a while loop and we have some condition. While this condition remains true, we have to print this statement. So in this case, I is 1, 1 is less than 6, so it will print 1. But I will always remain less than 6, so it is going to be an infinite loop. We will check its output. So this is an infinite loop. To terminate this loop, we have to apply some condition. We will increment I by 1. So now let's discuss its syntax now. I is 1, 1 is less than 6, it will print 1. Now I is incremented by 1, so I will become 2. 2 is less than 6, it will print 2. Now I will become 3, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is less than 6, it will print 3. Similarly, it will print 4 and 5. When I will become 6, that is I is equal to 5 plus 1, when it will become 6, 6 is not less than 6, 6 is equal to 6. So it is not going to print this statement. So what is going to be the output? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be the output of this. We can apply break statement also. How we are going to do? With the break statement, we can stop the loop even if the condition is true. So we will apply some if condition. If I is equal to 3, then break. So now 1 and 2 is going to be the output of this. 1 and 2. We can apply nested while loop. So what is nested while loop? A loop within a loop is called as the nested loop. A nested while loop, a while loop within a while loop is called as the nested while loop. So we will take its example. I is equal to 1 while I is less than 5, print Python Now in this loop we will take another variable j is equal to 1 while j is less than 2, print programming. We will apply some condition for this inner while loop for j. J is less than 3 we will take. So j is equal to j plus 1. And we will take another condition for this while loop for I. I is equal to I plus 1. First we will try to understand the syntax, but before that we will run this program so that it will become more clear to you. So we are getting Python programming, Python programming. So now you can see that how many times Python is executed. 1 time, 2 time, 3 and 4. So Python is executed 4 times, and for each time the Python is executed, we are getting programming 2 times programming as the output. Let me add some space so it will become more clear to you. Python is executed 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time, and for each time programming is executed twice. Why this is happening? So first of all, we have 2 loops. We have one while loop which is the external while loop, and we have internal while loop inside this external while loop. First we have initialized I is equal to 1. So 1 is less than 5, so it will print Python. Now it will check this while loop. J is 1, 1 is less than 3, so it will print programming. Now j is incremented by 1, 1, now j has become 2, 2 is less than 3, so it will again print programming. Now programming is printed 2 times. Now j has become 3, so 3 is not less than 3, so it will not print this. Now it will check for this condition. It will increment I by 2, so now this will again come to this point, 2 is less than 5, so Python will get printed. Now again it will check for this internal loop. Internal loop will run for 2 times, and now again I will be incremented by 3. So this external loop will run 4 times because I is less than 5, so we are incrementing it by 1, so it will run for 4 times, and this inner loop will run for 2 times. But for each time, each value of I, this value of j will be printed twice. So I hope you understand this. I will again run this so it will become more clear to you. Python programming, Python programming. For each Python, programming is running twice. So this was all for today's video. I hope now while loop is very much clear to you. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.